Coffee clay pendant. Here's how. Here's what you need. Clay, cutter and mold, coffee ground, rolling pin, soft pastel color, and brush. Mix clay with coffee ground. Roll into ball. Roll clay mix with rolling pin. Take mold and cutter. Rub them with Vaseline to prevent stick with clay. Cut and take off excess. Clay mix. Gently tap mold for cute clean pattern. Take off cutter first. Then take off mold. Color pendant with soft pastel and brush. Air dry the clay and done.